on our way to our first meeting to reveal the pod pack. It is snowing, as you can see. So, walking the mile to get to the train station, and then catch the train to the other train station, to then pick up the rental car, to then drive to the meeting, and then from there, drive back to the train station, drop off the rental car, take the bus to the other TC transit center, and from there, walk back home. So, it's an hour meeting. It's a big meeting, it can make a huge difference for ADHERE gear. But, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do, go through all the steps and just work it out because you know how bad you want it. So again, it's snowing a lot. We're in Portland, Oregon. It's not really normal for Portland, but it's all good. I'm from the East Coast, so it's pretty. All right, ADHERE gear out.